Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to back to Vitamin Banger. Today I'm showing you how to fix the the missing msvcr100.dll missing error. Okay, so first you want to do is you want to close this. And what you want to do, open a new tab and put dx web and then setup. Okay, you want to go to there. You want to click enter. And then you want to click on the first one for Microsoft.com. Do not download anything else except the Microsoft one. Okay. Now it should show this. It should show you this DX web setup. You click enter, then there it is. Open it. Okay, it's loading in, and then accept the agreements. Then do next. I'm not gonna do it since I already have done it. As you can see, when I first downloaded my game, Naruto Shippuden, this game, when I downloaded it, it showed me the DLL file, the missing one. So when I open it now, I fixed it. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want more tutorials, please comment down below.